Hey guys, it's Tori Webster and we just checked into the Fairmont Lake Louise. Come check out my suite. Wow, so this suite is so gorgeous. We are here for the next few days on a winter adventure. We're about to go for a sleigh ride. We're gonna go ice skating on the lake. Come check out the lake. Beautiful. It really is. It really is. So the Chatters team was so incredible and they left behind so many goodies for me to try out this week. And I'm most excited probably for this calming cream. I just eyed this really quick for the anti-frizz in the winter months. This is key. And I think there's some more goodies in the bathroom, so let's go check it out. Guys, everything is personalized. It has my name on the mirror. How cute is that? Wow, so excited to try this Moroccan oil curler as well. I use their products all the time. This is truly gonna be the most epic winter escape with the Chatters team. Can't wait for you guys to follow along and hope to see you soon.
Oh, we all did the same.
Cindy Duplantis here at the Fairmont with Chatters. We're gonna do a master class showing how to style your hair. From that point that you're at right now, if your hair is all dry, this is exactly the spot that you can go ahead and do whatever you want.
Just arrived at the skating rink and we're about to get on the ice with our brand new skates.
Day 2, done.